Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm in or near Wat Samian. I think that's what it's called. I'll leave a link and the name in the screen now. And what we're going to do, we're going to go and walk around, find something to eat. And I promise you, in this video, I'm not going to eat pad krapao. Such a beautiful day today. And look at that for a beautiful building. Anyway, we're going to go over this bridge here and see what's on offer. It's been quite a long time since I've been around this area, so I'm not quite sure where I'm going to go yet. But anyway, onwards. So the time is about lunchtime, 12 o'clock on a Wednesday afternoon. No idea where I'm going. I'll have a walk around anyway. These places look really interesting. Alright, so over here we have a noodle restaurant. I've eaten too many noodles, I reckon. And this one is a noodle restaurant as well, with moo grob. I think you're tired of me eating moo grob. This next one here, let's see. Of kakamu. Looks fantastic. We're going to keep on walking. We're going to find something that looks old school. Need some old school restaurant. So if you look across the road there, this place is called Bon Marché. They do have some really nice food in there, and I'm thinking about going in there actually. What do you reckon? Go in there and have a look? It's not cheap though. It's not the kind of street food, but it's more high end. Could do, couldn't we? Okay, so I've jumped across the road. Bon Marché is just there. We are going to walk down this way. I think we have more food on this side of the road. Hopefully we do. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, we'll find something. When the weather's like this, I really don't mind walking. I can walk for miles. It's beautiful. And another good thing, you have 7-Elevens along the way, so you get a little bit thirsty, you stop in there for a coffee or a bottle of water. Fantastic weather, really love it. Okay, you've got a seafood restaurant here. Got your shrimps or prawns. Someone told me what this fish was called. Apparently they're really nice. A bit ugly though, isn't he? This place is called, it's a quite famous place actually, I think. I've seen this place before on Google. You know, the Michelin stars. Hasn't got one for 2015 yet, but I'm sure it will. But, yeah, you could sit in here and in here also. I think I've gone to the wrong side of the road. I'll go out for a crab. Anyway guys, let's keep walking and find some food. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop at 7-Eleven, get a quick drink and carry on walking. Hope you're still watching. If you're still watching, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. About 50% of you aren't subscribed. So hit the like button, subscribe button. Let's go get a drink. Okay, so I have a quick drink stop. We're having a green tea, no sugar. Oh, that's nice and refreshing. Anyway, let's go. We've come up to some restaurants. Go on there, but she's playing music, so we'll give that one a miss. YouTube doesn't like the music. Over there is a fair. food. This one, you'd kill me if I go there, won't you? Pak Krapao. We'd get a soup or something. Pizza. I could eat a pizza right now, but that's not. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to go over there. There's got to be some food there, isn't there? So, this is an evening market, but we're going to have a look around to see if we can find anything anyway. I can smell food, but I just can't see any. So, maybe over there. So at night time, this will be full of stalls. People coming here to have their dinner. If you, I'll pinpoint this down in the description there. So if you're in the area and fancy something where the Westerners and tourists don't go, you can come here and check it out. Because this is proper old school, especially at night time. I think it's like 4 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock in the morning, and again from 4 p.m. I shouldn't have come here at lunchtime really, but yeah, we'll go over to that market there, even if we get some fried chicken or something like that. Anyway, I prefer walking around in the daytime so there's less people. You can see how things are, you know. So all this will be open at night. I can see someone cooking in there. I think they are anyway. It goes right over here too. So this is where all the cooking happens. It's a bit dark. I don't know if there's any chairs. What we could do with some fried chicken or something like that. Some moo ping. I'm really hungry. I'm looking for fried chicken now. Really spicy stuff up. So this is the food here. Over there is the vegetables. You cook your own. Look out for some moo grub. Where's the fried chicken at? Tell you what, it's hot in here. Really hot. Cowman guy. We'll have a look out the front, or we'll go through let's go this way. Noodles. It's going to be a long video. Hey, we've got some fried chicken here, look. Sawadee krap. Any towel like up? 45 บาทครับ Okay, no. ครับ Okay. 45. Right. So this chicken I have now is called Hat Yai chicken. It comes from southern part of Thailand and it's very delicious. Sometimes I put like a fried onions with it and fried garlic. I don't think it gave me any of that today. Anyway, where are we going to sit down? Should we go sit down in there? Okay, so I'll come in here. Look what else I found. I found some more chicken. Oh, chicken legs. I've got the chicken breast, which I prefer. It goes right around here as well. This wasn't this big before when I came a few years ago. So if you're in the area, come around about 5 p.m. This place will be buzzing. Okay, so I found a little seat here. I'm not going to use any of that sauce today. I'll show you a bit of this chicken. Look at that. Mmm. Oh, that was very nice. What we'll do, we'll go for a walk over there and find something else to eat as well. This is good. Real chunks of chicken there. I could eat this every day, but it's not very healthy for you. So right over here we have some really old buildings. When you see old buildings like that, that usually means there's some really good old school restaurants. So let's go and have a look. That chicken was fantastic, by the way. Could be a bit of a long video, this one. I can hear something frying over there. Seems like a lot of the places are closed, but still nice around here. Lovely walking, you know. I think it's about 27°C. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but yeah, it's lovely. In about 2 months' time, they're going to go into the hot season again. So enjoy the cold season while it's still here. That's what I say. Alright, well, we'll go to the end of the road, turn right. Okay, so the next restaurant I see, I'm going to go and eat there. Unless it's Pak Kapow, I'm not going to eat Pak Kapow today, I promise you. But anyway, let's walk. What are we going to find down here? Massage. Don't want a massage today. We want some food. Years ago this was really popular down this area. There were a lot of expats, but not anymore. Beautiful. Look at that. It's an old Range Rover, look at that. Imported from the UK, I would have guessed. Right, we need somewhere to sit down, have something to eat, and that'll be the end of the video. A very long video. And if you look up there, that's the end of the road. I ain't walking any further past that. If anybody knows this area, let us know. Where's your favourite restaurant to eat around here? There's got to be something here, hasn't there? A Chinese restaurant. No. We want old school food. Fried rice, something like that. We're getting towards the end. This might be the end of the video, guys, if I don't find something soon. What is in here? Not that one. Oh, here we go. What do you reckon? Salmon. Salmon's a bit out of my price range. I'm just a poor tourist. I'm not a tourist, expat. Really busy in there as well. about 100 baht for a drink. Barbecue, 300 baht. Pad Krapao. Told you I'm not doing a Pad Krapao video today. Keep the trolls quiet. Why do you always eat Pad Krapao? Because it's one of my favourite foods. That's why. Anyway, it's coming towards the end. We could look around the corner here, but seriously, I think this might be the end of the video. Fried chicken, spot on. If you're in the area, come around 4 p.m. We have anything down here? Walk up to the river. Alright, so here we have Klong Prapa, Pracha Chuen Road. Beautiful river this. I'm fishing here. See guys fishing sometimes. Anyway guys, I'm gonna head home. So I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and see you on the next one.